Imagine creating presentations that don't just look good, but actually invite people to interact, click, explore, and stay focused. Today, you're going to learn exactly how to make interactive Google Slides using Canva. And by the end, you'll be able to build presentations that feel like experiences, not just slides. Start by opening Google Slides. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so everything saves automatically. From the home page, decide how you want to begin. You can click on a blank presentation if you want full creative control, or choose a template if you need a structured head start. That first choice sets the style and rhythm, so pick something that aligns with your project, whether it's for school, business, or something personal. Next, head over to Canva. Open it in your browser and sign in, or quickly create a free account if you don't already have one. On the dashboard, you can start from scratch or explore Canva's massive library of templates designed by pros. This is where your presentation comes to life visually. As you design, think interaction, don't just decorate, plan for engagement. Create space for clickable sections, add icons or shapes meant to link somewhere, and consider where videos or transitions will fit. With Canva's drag and drop tools, tweak fonts, images, backgrounds, and graphics until each slide matches the tone you're going for. Once your designs are ready, download your Canva slides as high-resolution JPGs or PNGs. Then hop back into Google Slides and insert those images onto each slide. Now you can add the interactive magic, link buttons or text to other slides or websites, enable collaboration, or set up Q&A features so your audience can participate in real time. And that's how you blend Canva's visual power with Google Slides functionality to build something truly engaging. Instead of settling for static presentations, you've learned how to design slides that guide, respond, and impress. If this helped or sparked an idea, stick around. There's more tutorial magic coming your way. Thanks for watching, and go turn those slides into something unforgettable.